Running low on coins in Zombie Tsunami? Don't worry, I'll show you how to quickly top up your coins and keep the fun going. Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy coins in Zombie Tsunami. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, launch the Zombie Tsunami app on your device and make sure you're on the main menu screen. On the main menu, tap on the market option. In the market menu, locate the section where you can buy coins. This section is labeled as coins and diamonds icons. You'll see different coin packages available ranging from small bundles to larger ones. Browse through the options and select the package that suits your needs. Tap on the package you want to buy. After you tap on the buy option, a pop-up will appear directing you to your device's payment system, Google Play Store or Apple Play Store. Follow the prompts to complete the purchase. Once the transaction is successful, the coins will be added to your account instantly. You're now ready to spend them on upgrades, accessories, and more. And there you have it. Now you know how to buy coins in Zombie Tsunami and keep the fun going. Thanks for watching Make Gaming Easy. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new, subscribe and stay updated for the future videos.